Introducing the new text-to-video generator that's better 10 times than Runway ML and Piccolabs. Watch these videos. This new text-to-video generator is so easy to use, even a child could do it. And it's have something new that are not in other text-to-video AI tool. Watch this video till the end, otherwise you will miss the main thing of that video. Let's jump to the video. First go to Google Chrome. Now search moonvalley.ai. Now click on the first website. Let's click on the beta version. Now you have to connect Discord, so join Discord. After joining Discord, you can see this interface. Now here are many things to explore, but I show you how to create video with high quality. So here you can see these room. Click in anyone. And you seek in this. Here you can give your prompt to create your videos. Now type / and create. Now give your prompt whatever you want to create. Okay, I am creating a random video. A man and woman watching sunsets in the beach. Let me show you interesting thing. Here you can choose your style for creating videos. Here are some style. You can choose book, comic, 3D, or animation, realism. And you also get the option to choose your video duration. If you choose long videos, then it creates 5 to 6 seconds video now, because it beta version now, but it's very good option than any other text-to-AI video. Okay, our video is generating. It takes few time longer than Piccolabs or Runway ML. Okay, our video is ready. Let's see. Look at the video. This is really incredible. Nowadays AI is going to next level. You can easily download this video. It has little watermark, which is not even seen. So this the tool Moonvalley. Hope you like it. And for AI new video, subscribe the channel and follow me. Thank you.